And again, my name is Debbie. Hello. It doesn't hurt the baby. The biggest issue is that my hands are cold after washing them. Babies don't like cold hands, I found out. Okay. But what we do is put a soft tip into Andrea. Here, did I pronounce his name correctly? Andrea? Andrea? Okay, we put a soft tip into his ear. It's just like putting a little finger in his ear, and it's not at all invasive. Just very external. And it sends a sound in through the ear canal, past the eardrum to the cochlea. The cochlea has hairs that vibrate back to the computer chip. So basically what this is a hearing, it checks mechanical hearing, what's going on in the ear canal, and it's simply a screen. Okay. And what he's going to hear is a very, very rapid clicking with the static. I don't care for the sound myself, but babies love it. They don't mind it at all. It either relaxes them, puts them to sleep, they're curious. They like the sound of static. So what do I know? So I'm going to get this set up to do the hearing screen right now. Okay. So this is what I'm doing right now is putting his information into the system. It's going to have his birthday, which is the most important day. And let's see, today's date, his birthday. That's today's date. Okay. We are ready to go. And it's cute if he does get fussy. We have ways of making him happy. But usually babies do say this. Usually by the second year, babies are wise to me. They wake up and say, I didn't sign up for this. You can almost hear them say that. Why are we doing this? Are you waking up already? Okay. Mama V is hungry. You're most welcome to hold him and feed him, or whatever it takes to make him happy. You have a pacifier. We're looking at here. He's very relaxed. 3 lines. The top is the time elapsing. The bottom is his activity. Look at that middle line. That's the test. We got it. Left ear just passed. So the sound went in and vibrated back to the computer chip, giving us a result. That's it.
Wow.
And when I told my nursing instructor, I said, how is this possible? She said, why don't we come and work here and find out? And it's been 6 years.
Oh, awesome. Well, thank you.
My pleasure. Oh, are you kidding? It's definitely my pleasure. Hello, you beautiful little boy. May I borrow your right ear? Because it's just as cute as your left. Thank you, honey. Are you waking up now? Look at that. Like I said, I was telling Mom and Grandma that, usually by the second year, babies say, okay, I don't want to play anymore. Oh my. He should be teaching this. He's the baby. He has both ears. He just blew it away.